Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the Samsung fast charge adapter to a PD-compatible wall outlet. Use the original adapter and cable because wattage matters. Once powered, place the wireless pad on a flat, stable surface and clear nearby metal. Make sure to remove thick cases, credit cards, or magnetic mounts from the phone. Now align the phone's wireless charging coil to the charger center. That alignment is critical for fast charge to engage. You'll feel the device vibrate or see the LED change when it's detected. Next, confirm the LED or display shows the fast charge indicator. If not, check the adapter and cable connection first. You should also enable fast wireless charging in your phone's battery settings if required, since phones sometimes default to standard charging. Once engaged, avoid moving the phone so the coils stay aligned. Movement can drop charging speed. Because fast wireless introduces more heat, make sure the charger has airflow and isn't under blankets or in direct sun. To finish, monitor the battery percentage and look for the fast charge symbol. You should see a noticeable percentage increase within 10-20 minutes. If charging doesn't start, first reseat alignment, remove the case and test the original adapter and cable, then reboot the phone to clear any software lock. If issues persist, try a different outlet or charger port. One key troubleshooting tip: heat often forces the phone to slow charge, reduce ambient heat. Realign the coil, and fast charging will usually return.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.